Hello beautifuls, my name is Dr. Savita Lalgadia, Director of Lalgadia Hospital, Shri Ganganagar, practicing in gynae obs since 25 years, and now I have indulged in this new era laser vaginal rejuvenation. It's very revolutionary and very good option for us. I have this fractional duo machine, CO2 fractional. With this is the scope through which it will emerge energy, CO2 fraction energy, it will emerge through one speculum. It's just a OPD procedure. Patient come just in office sitting, have taken breakfast, no anesthesia required. She will simply lie down on the bed. It's just a 15 minutes procedure hardly, and no anesthesia, no downtime, non-surgical, non-invasive procedure. It's very safe. Everyone can do this very confidently. What I will do with this laser vaginal rejuvenation, it will increase collagen stimulation, more formation of the collagen tissue. It will increase elasticity of the vagina, increase tone of the vagina, increase lubricacy, increase blood circulation, so that and it will enhance vaginal tightening, sexual pleasure, more increase in sensation, and there is improvement in vaginal leakage of urine or stress incontinence whenever patient is doing sneezing, coughing or exercising or laughing. That's very common symptom. It happens after childbirth or in many perimenopause or in menopause. So I will show you how I am doing this procedure. I am just cleaning vagina and vulva, preparing well, then inserting this speculum, vaginal speculum, into the vagina. It's the appropriate size, no smaller, no bigger. It can fit into every type of vagina. We can apply some lubricant, baby oil, so that it will insert easily and go easily into the vagina. Okay, relax. By finger also we can apply some lubricant into the vagina. Then I am using this probe wand that will induce energy through this speculum into the vagina. This speculum has been gone all into the vagina, and this probe has also gone into. Machine setting is automatic. Inside we have to give more power. I am giving with this with this paddle. I am giving shot of energy. Yes, first ready, yeah, give shot. I am rotating this probe through 45 degree. Again I am giving shot, one shot. Then again I am rotating 45 degree. It's 90. Now again I am rotating this 45 degree clockwise. Again 45 degree. Yes, again. Now I am rotating anti-clockwise. Like this I am giving 8 shots through, so that energy will go into all the walls symmetrically. Now I will withdraw this probe, energy emitting by 1 centimeter outside. Just focus here. I am just markings are there on this probe 1 centimeter out, so that again I will give 8 shots. Yes, 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 Again I am pulling out 1 by 1 centimeter and giving 8 shots. Like this it will cover all the vaginal walls. Especially we require anterior vaginal wall below the bladder and urethra. This procedure will having 3 phases of action. First is inflammatory phase for 2-3 days, and there would be some edema, some itching, some burning sensations can be there, so some type of swelling is also can be there. Second phase is proliferative. In that phase more collagen fibers, more elastic fibers, more vascularization, more connective tissue, stem cells will be formed. It will last for again 3 to 5 days. Then refractory phase, it will last for 28 days. In that phase inflammation signs will be subside and proliferation of the collagen has been occurred well, remodeling of the tissue has been occurred well. I have done all these walls. Now for outside vaginal introitus, I will make power sum less by 5. Now I am making 8, 10. I am removing this probe. This probe I am removing. इसको पकड़ना इंट्रोइटस के लिए है ना. For vaginal introitus I am giving shots by this probe. I have 3 parts, and for vulva outer area some rugosities, pigmentation are there, that will improve by this probe. I will attach one by one by this. And for introitus I am removing out this speculum also. By rotating like this I am giving energy to vulva, introitus, near around urethra and vulva. Yes, we can apply some local anesthesia, Xylocaine jelly also if patient is feeling pain here. Okay. And by this probe I am doing vulva. It's okay. And comfortable? Thank you. क्योंकि ये हो गया होगा.